Cuando estuve en mi instituto en college, allá en Berlin, business administration students, we go into the SEAT, which was a Libertadores, live in Moscow, Dinamarca. I won a score in security. I am also a volunteer for 5 years. I'm a student in security and protection of people. I want to retire in October. I travel currently with my family to the department of Bogota. One specifically to Salchica, Tijata, and Sotomacha. It was a very